Hi everybody, hope all of you are stay safe at your home and please follow your parents' opinion. Don't go outside in this situation. Whenever you go for anywhere else, any purpose, always use mask and wash your hands again and again and keep yourselves clean and healthy. So students, today we will discuss about the standard 4 treasure of value, first chapter, pigeons and the hunter. What is about the teamwork? Team means we can know it's a collective noun wherever we make a team within 5 or 6 members in a classroom or anywhere else in the playground or in the office, anywhere. In this story, there were some pigeons who were very hungry and they were searching of food. Now we go through the story. Once upon a time, a flock of hungry pigeons were flying across the sky in search of food. Flock is a collective noun. Many birds are there, many pigeons are there, we can say flock. Since the pigeons had been flying for a long time, they felt tired and decided to sit down on a tree. As they were tired and they were very hungry, they flying across the sky. Now they wanted to sit down on a tree. The pigeons looked down and saw grains of rice scattered on the ground. They were happy to have found enough food to eat. Oh, just look, there is rice on the ground, they said. Let us go down and eat the rice. We are hungry. All the pigeons came down from the tree and started eating the rice. So when they looked down and they saw the grains of rice scattered on the ground, suddenly they were feeling very happy. But they did not know how could these grains came on the playground. Now they said, we can get down and ate the rice. We are very hungry. As they were doing so, a huge net fell on them and trapped them all. Means we can easily understand from these words that trapped them all means a hunter made a trap for that reason. The pigeons were taken aback. They noticed a hunter sitting at a distance from the tree with a bow and an arrow in his hand. So, when they felt very happy to see that rice grains, after some time they realized that it was a trap when they saw the hunter at a distance from the tree with a bow and an arrow in his hand. So the pigeons realized that it was the hunter who had attracted them by spreading the grains of rice, and it was he who had trapped them in the net. So the hunter wanted to kill them or wanted to catch them for his business. The hunter got up and began to move towards the pigeons. All the pigeons started shivering in fear. Shivering means trembling. Trembling. This, when we got any fear, we have that shivering in ourselves. They were afraid that the hunter will kill them. So they were frightened. They would be die now. The leader of the pigeons said, "Friends, we are in great trouble. The hunter will catch us if we do not act quickly." Here is an act. Act quickly means the leader had an idea. How could he save his friend's life? If we act together, we can save ourselves. There is only one option available at this moment. Let all of us use your force together and fly up along with the net. Look at this picture. Along with the net means all the pigeons fly together forcefully with the net. If all of us use your force and fly together, we can fly carrying the net along with us. Means when the hunter trapped them, they got feared and they thought that they would die. But at that moment, the leader of the team, the leader of that flock of pigeons, gave an idea and told them that we should have to act together. And if we made our force together and flew up along with the net, then only they should live. So come on, 1, 2, 3. And all the pigeons flew high carrying the net along with them. They acted as their leader advised. After flying sufficient distance away from the hunter, the pigeons settled on a tree. Means after flying sufficient distance means they felt that now they were safe from the hunter. They were far away from the hunter. And now they have to sit on a tree and carefully came out of the net one by one. So consequently, all the pigeons were saved due to their team effort. When it was a very crucial time for the pigeons and the hunter trapped them through the net, at that moment their leader gave them an opinion to fly up high along with the net forcefully. Now the pigeons also followed their leader's opinion and succeeded. So in this story we easily learn that the teamwork of the pigeons. In a team we can exchange our ideas and respect for all individuals. When we work together as a team, our strengths multiply and we can easily achieve what an individual cannot do alone. So in a sentence we can say that unity is strength. Students, today after this we will discuss it, and the next day we will discuss the question answers from this chapter. So before we go to the next video, before we go to the next part of the sessions, I want to tell you that please read each and every textbook carefully. It's very important to know the story well at first and then do our exercise. I hope that this video will helpful for you and make yourself strong in the papers. Okay, thank you.